Hey everyone, welcome to Best IEM YouTube channel. Today, we're checking out Hi-Fi-Go's new BAX Pro in-ear headphones. With a unique setup of a 10mm beryllium dynamic driver, dual Knowles armatures, and dual Sonian electrostatics, these headphones are designed for serious audio performance. Stick around until the end. The product link is in the description, and you can check for the best price. Let's dive in. Let's talk about its unboxing first. The BAX looks great. This is because it adds outstanding durability and stylish glamour to the earphones. The TRN logo is also engraved on the side of the housing, which is pleasant to the touch. The semi-open grille pattern can be easily missed, but slits are also an aesthetically pleasing choice. In terms of fit, I had a few issues choosing earphones that fit my ears. The ear canals and housings are large, but at least when held solidly, the ears don't feel stretched at all. Its design BAX uses a semi-open design, but not too much sound leaks out of the shell. This design is not only used to expand the soundstage, but also helps eliminate noise by reducing air pressure. Inside the housing is a triple hybrid design using a Knowles balanced armature, a single dynamic driver, and two electrostatics. These drivers work in harmony to help analyze sonic details and perform clearly. Its sound. In this mid-fi area, you can sometimes find a sweet spot in terms of a sound signature that gives you everything you want. Fortunately, the BAX is one of the rare IEMs that achieves this, delivering a rich, wide output that forms an immersive collective image. Its width spans a reasonable distance between the left and right channels, giving panned sound elements the right amount of space to effectively maneuver around the soundstage with precision. At this price, the BAX presents one of the best sound stages in its class, providing listeners with flavorful dynamics with a potentially satisfying sense of space. TRN BAX Pro Frequency. The bass frequencies here are very smooth and textured. It has an excellent dynamic response that knows when to rein in, allowing the bass to support the sound signature with powerful resonance as the track reaches its crescendo. It kicks with a ton of drive, while providing a mellow tone that doesn't overload the sound signature with boomy bass. It's mid. You can feel the softness of the mid-range that extends from the low tones. Mid-range content is presented with good fullness and forward momentum that gives instruments, effects, and vocals space to highlight in a decidedly present manner. There is power and drive in the frequency content that gives the sound signature the perfect amount of energy while displaying instruments transparently and textured. The timbre style feels like it allows the sound signature to propagate in a complete way, allowing the music to maintain a clear, satisfying tail. Its pros: wide sound stage upgraded configuration, powerful bass electrostatic speaker driver, and last but very important, its cons: expensive but worth it. That's it for today's rundown of TRN BAX Pro. We hope this helps you choose the right one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.